Welcome to Fixed by Doc, and today I'm just going to do a real quick video showing you how to change the chain on a Stihl wood boss. And it's really easy. Just take your chuck here and break the nut loose. If you keep the chain nice and tight, then it's not going to go flapping around and pop off on you before you want it to. Take your nut, stick it in your pocket so it doesn't get lost. Pull this off, and now you can just loosen the chain a little bit, and it slides right off. There you go. You take your new chain, and you want to make sure you have it in the right direction. So the teeth are going to be, in this case, the teeth are going to be facing my right, and the back side of the tooth is going to be facing my left. And these little shark fins, the little notch on the shark fin is facing my right. So, put it on your blade, or your bar, whatever you want to call it. And slip it back on. And then I'm just going to give it a little twist. Hold it in place. There you have it. Now you just put your check for any thing broken or anything messed up. You don't see anything. Put it back on. Reach into your pocket because you know exactly where your nut is. And put your nut back on. Don't tighten it too tight, just slightly a little snug. There you go. Now you're going to want to check your chain tension, which that's pretty much spot on right there. You want it to have a little flex, but not so much that the teeth pop out. If the teeth can pop out of the chain, then it's too loose. So at least like 1/8 of an inch of play or 3/8 of a play. And then tighten it up. Don't over tighten it or you strip the bolt. And that's all there is to it.